So welcome to this video. I'll be demonstrating how to add a course description on a course that you have already added. So when you log into the Gnomio site, you enter the username and the password and you log in. You come here to my courses, click on my courses, then you click on this course that you want to add course description, and you click on this edit mode to turn it on, that you can be able now to edit. Remember here, I want this part to be called course description. Course description. You click enter. Now, in the course description, I want to add an activity or resource, and to add a resource called text and media resource. And as a text and media, I can be able to add text. I can be able to add media such as images, videos, and the like. So I click on add activity resource and filter to resources because I want to add this text and media. I click on it. You can have a title, but for me I'll leave it because I have that course description as my title. On this area, I'm able to add an image of course. I add my image. And the style it as environment tags. And save the image. The image can be too big and I need to resize it. So let's want a small image. Not just a small image. Okay. Then under that image now, I will add some text describing the course. Just copy it there where I had prepared it and just paste. If you have not prepared, you can decide to type. The description, but for my case, not to make the video take shorter time, I just copy the content of the course description. But the course description can say what the course is all about, the learning outcomes that are expected from the course. I have them here. We have about 5 learning outcomes expected from the course. It's good for the student or the learner to know what you benefit from this course. Upon completion of this course, the learners will be able to then want to edit this part to be able now to we need to put these learning outcomes correctly. That is 1, 2, 3. And so that is the third one. the fourth learning outcome, and the fifth. The fifth learning outcome. So these are the learning outcomes that the student need to know. Then the prerequisites. Got prerequisite for the basic knowledge on health and basic knowledge. Familiarity with the programming languages and the basic knowledge of using software tools such as the various IDs. Remember, this one should be used to develop the neural networks or even to interact with them. So there are some also the requirements to be able to complete this course. Some basic requirements. Remember now, everybody, the learners, they need to have a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you can have a tablet or smartphone, and an internet connectivity is a must. Remember, it's like an online class, so they have to have. Another thing that the student need to know is the assessment criteria. What will be the assessment be like? So for this particular course, assessment funding is an attendance. So the student need to attend at least 75% to be able to qualify or even the end of term exam. They have cut 1 will be 30%, cut 2 will be 30%. We have project on designing a neural network, will carry 40%, and then at the end of term exam there will be 100%. Also, we need active class participation. If you don't do that, they also be aware of assessing the students. So the student need to be quite active. Then I'll add some details about the facilitator so that the student can know who will be their facilitator. So I said this information, if you have not prepared it before, you can just type. Yeah. And also you can include the textbook needed, the particular textbook needed. This course, where the student can reference it. That's the textbook by Ask John. So when you can check and see everything is correct according to what you want it to be displayed. Prerequisite requirement, everything. So that is all that describes the course. And you can click now save and return to the course. Remember, you can click this button to send the content change notification to the students that you may leave it. But if you are updating it on a real time, or where you have allowed the students, you may need to click on this so that you can be aware of that change. So I click save and return to course. And even if I put this edit mode to off, you can see now you have now the course description. You'll have now this describing the course. The student will be able to see the learning outcomes, the prerequisite, the requirement, assessment, the facilitator, and the textbook required. From there now you can continue adding topic 1 and the content below it, topic 2 with that thing. So that is how you usually add text and media resource to add the course description on a course. You can even include a video, you can include very many options when you're adding content as text and media resource. So that is it. Thank you.